Hello everyone, so first we are going to divide our hair into two parts, then making one braid at each side, then taking some amount of hair and joining two braids with that. Then we are going to take all of the hair from that side, making a braid, then folding it into half, then adding this beautiful rubber band. Next, we're going to divide our hair into two ponies at first. Then we are going to take one side, folding the first ponytail like this and then dividing it into two parts, making two braids and making this hat like this. Then adding these colorful rubber bands to our hairstyle and it is ready. We are going to make a ponytail at one side and making four thin braids, then joining the braids with the pony. Next, we're going to take two ponies, taking the first one and then folding it once. We're going to also take two braids at the bottom and then we are going to divide the ponytail into two and then making two braids like these and folding them into half and securing them with a rubber band. Next, we're going to section our hair into two, taking one side, then dividing the pony into two braids, further making this beautiful hat out of it. Then we're going to add some accessories to our hairstyle and it's ready. Next, we are going to take some ponytails at the top of our head like this. Then we're going to divide all of them into two parts and then joining them together. After that, we're going to take all of the hair and then making a final ponytail. Next, we are going to take ponytail at two sides, then taking thin ponies at the bottom, dividing them into two parts and joining them to the ponytails at the sides. And then applying it into this braid like this, then folding the braid into a simple bun and it's ready. Next, we are going to grab a side and then start making this braid by taking little amount of hair from one side. Then we're going to keep on making it till we reach the back like this. We're going to repeat the same step with the other side as well. And when your braid is ready, you can see it looks so good and pretty. Next, we're going to take two braids at one side. Then along with that, we're going to take some hair from one side little by little and then making another braid like this. Then we're going to keep on repeating it till the last, repeating the same process with the other side, then joining both of them together like this. Next, we're going to take one side of hair, then start making this braid by taking three parts of hair like this. Then we're going to again taking some more hair from both of the sides and then keep on making the braid. Then repeating the same process with the other side as well. After your braid is ready, you can see it already looks so good and pretty. Now you can secure it with any rubber band or clutcher as per your choice. Or you can apply any kind of accessories as you want. And now you can see it's ready. Next, we're going to take hair from one side top and then start making a braid by taking two strands of hair. Then we're going to take the third one little by little from one side and completing this braid. Then we're going to secure it with a rubber band, making one ponytail joined with the braid and then making two more thin braids and then further joining it to our ponytail like this. Now you can apply any kind of clips or clutches as per your preference and it is ready.